Hi, everybody, and welcome to Burping After Dinner. I just got through eating pizza, and so I'm here to burp. And if you guys are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Leave lots of comments down below and let me know whether or not you like this burping. This is a burping channel, so if for some reason or another you don't like burping, unsubscribe to the channel. And if you like burping, please subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. So subscribe. If you like the channel, if you want to see me continue to come with content, please subscribe to the channel, okay? Hit the thumbs up button, turn on a notification bell, and hit always so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. And the reason why I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, because you guys, I want to start coming live to burp for you live, so you can be in the live chat while I'm burping live and interact with me. But I can't go live until I get to 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to see me go live and burp on this channel, then you need to subscribe, okay? This is burping on command. No soda needed. No food needed. In your face. In your face. Burping. If you guys like mukbangs too, I have another channel. It is a mukbang channel. It's called tastymukbangeats. So if you guys like to watch eating shows, occasional burping, then please subscribe to my other channel. If you go over there, don't come over there saying, oh, burp, 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 because I don't do burping on command over there. I only do like normal burps if I'm eating and I get a burp. But if you guys would like to support my mukbang channel as well, please subscribe to Tasty Mukbang Eats. Y'all. So that's it, you guys. Just a little teaser. I'm just going to give you teasers until you guys get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. Let me know that you guys are serious about seeing me burp, so I can get serious about burping for you guys, because I can seriously burp. And if you seriously want to see me burp, then subscribe, okay? Bye.